Hi, I'm Landon, and I'll be walking you through how to add your medications and supplements in Zamplo. Keeping track of your medications and supplements is an important tool that can give you access to your medication history, which can help manage any symptoms that may occur. This can help with reducing any early problems that may arise and help you find the best medication for your needs. To begin, let's open your Zamplo app. From the tab bar, click the Global Add button. From there, you will see a list of options. Select medicine or therapy, then select Enter manually. Enter your medicine or supplement. For this tutorial, you will input Advil. Since we are adding Advil as our medicine, we will click on Name and type Advil. Our system will automatically help you search for your desired medication or supplement in the system list, or create custom alt. The DIN or NPN number will be automatically filled once detected. Next, select the units measured in quantity amount. For this tutorial, we will select 1 in quantity and tablet as our unit from the drop-down list. Next, select the frequency amount measured. For this tutorial, we will select 1 time from the drop-down list and select the daily button. Here's an option to choose a color for your own customized graph. You can also add additional information of your medication or supplement for specific instructions. For this tutorial, we will type in 200 milligrams of 1 pill for 6 hours. Input any prescribers, start and end dates, notes, and to-dos. If you scroll back to the top of the page, you have the option to add photos or upload a file by adding it as an attachment. Click Save, and that's it. You have now added your medicine and supplements, and every time you log into your dashboard, your medicine or supplements will be visible.